Wow, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, I'm a plant man today. Every single meeting, every single one with only one time. Mr. Palm and Nefa always visit here to teach about English. That will be surprise for me, very awesome for me, very cool for me. Alright, today I'm going to share or explain or tell something about material today or topic today. Advantages and disadvantages for e-learning, learning via online, via Zoom or etc. Alright, let's see. I would like to give first advantages for learning online. You know what? At the time it doesn't insert at the time, at the first time start learning, like Spanish, Esperanto, English with foreigner via, Skype at the time. Because hard to find the speaker nowadays in my content Banda Aceh. So how do I start learning English or Esperanto language or Spanish? I focus for using every single time via Skype. That was very awesome for me. Made me very feel comfortable when I'm using every single time using via Skype. That's because I start learning the English or Spanish Esperanto using via Skype. Talking about disadvantages for learning online. Being hit by coronavirus 2019. I have no idea why our students nowadays not only for other school, senior high school, middle school, or senior high school, or first student, but also every people work after lockdown being hit by coronavirus make students lazy. I have no idea why. But let's say middle school, senior high school, that's very awesome when every teacher give the tutorial. Let's say every elementary school, first grade, second grade, third grade. The student doesn't know about the material, doesn't know about understand about that. But how do the student understand about that? Should the student ask for until now, but every student doesn't know how to play in mobile phone via WhatsApp, via online, via Zoom. Thank you. They don't know about that. So first make every student get lazy for give tutorial during online is not good for every student, because after day and night his parent looking for some food or some money when he went home, and then every parent has or teach about that material. That's because every elementary school student doesn't know about this material. That's why I disagree about that. That's what I don't like for advantages for e-learning or via online. That's it. Alright, that's my time. My speed up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Alright, any question?